Assalamualaikum class 6. I hope you are doing great class. So today is 17th of May 2021 and the day is Monday. Fine. So class, yesterday we studied about the concept of multiplication involving decimals. Isn't class? So let's take an example here. I have 0.27 multiplied by 0.08. Okay? If you look class, we have two numbers. The first number is 0.27. Okay? We can read this number as 0.27 and the other number is 0.08. We have two numbers. Okay, and both are decimal numbers. How we can say that? If you look, we have a point in this number and in this number too. So if we have point with any number, in any number we can say this number is decimal number. Okay? If I have this number without any decimal, so what would I do? What would I say to this number? क्या कहूंगी मैं उस नंबर को? Yes, Abdullah, you tell me. Very good. We can say whole number. Okay? हम उस नंबर को क्या कहते हैं? Whole number. ऐसे numbers जिसमें point include नहीं होता, उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Whole numbers. And those numbers which have point is involved, we can say decimal numbers. Is it clear, class? Okay. So we have multiplication involving decimal number. So in first step we will write the first decimal number which is 0.27 and other number which is 0.08. Okay? Now जब हम इसकी वर्किंग करने लगेंगे क्लास, हम लोगों ने जो पॉइंट है उसको क्या कर देना है, भूल जाना है थोड़ी देर के लिए. ओके? एंड जस्ट हम लोगों ने मल्टीप्लिकेशन करनी है जैसे हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन को सॉल्व करते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस साइड विच इज राइट साइड and you know it is the rule of multiplication on any operation that we can start from the right side. Isn't class? Okay, so 8 7 times. Yes, Tanya, you tell me. 8 7 times. Very good. 8 7 times 56. We have two digit number. So what is at unit place? 6. We will write 6 here and 5 as a carry. Fine, class? Okay. Now next number which is 8 2 times. 8 2 times. So 8 2 times 16. 16 two digit number and we will add 5 into it. ऐसे सॉल्व करते हैं ना हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन को. So 16 में 5 ऐड करेंगे. So we have 21. We have two digit number, so we will write the number which is at unit place and 2 as a carry. Fine? Okay. Now next we have class 8 0 times. 8 0 times 0. आपको पता है कि हम किसी भी नंबर को अगर 0 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, so we have 0 in the end. Okay? Now 8 0 times 0 and we will add this carry into it, so we have 2 in total. Fine? So ये जो वर्किंग हम लोगों ने की है ये किसके साथ थी? 8 के forward to the next number which is 0. अब इस 0 को इस whole के साथ करेंगे, but at first from the first step from the right side we will write multiplication sign below 6. Okay, because it is the rule when we have done with one digit number which is 8, so we will write multiplication sign here. Now 07 times 0, 02 times 0, 00 times 0. Fine. Now next number, so for next number we will write 2 multiplication sign here. So for this we will write 2 multiplication sign because we have done with 2 digit number class. Okay. Now the next number which is 0. अब इस 0 को इस whole के साथ करेंगे हम, so 07 times 0, 02 times 0, 00 times 0. Okay? So who will tell me what would we do in the end? हम end पे क्या करते हैं multiplication में? Yes, Sarim, you tell me. Very good. We will add. हम क्या करेंगे? Add करेंगे. One by one from the right side. Isn't class? Because it is the rule of multiplication. So 6, 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 as it is. And 0 as it is, and this 0 as it is. Fine? So class, if you look, we have 0, 0, 2, 1, 6. Now in next step we will put or assign a point. So अब हमने किसकी बेस पे जो है वो पॉइंट को असाइन करना है? If you look class, the first decimal number which is 0.27. So how many decimal points we have? Very good. Point के बाद 2 decimal numbers है, 2 numbers है, so we have 2 decimal point. Fine. And in second number we have how many decimal numbers we have in this number? Very good. 2 decimal point. So 2 decimal point and 2 decimal point makes 4 decimal point. Okay? ये मीन क्या है इसका कि जब हमने पॉइंट को इसमें असाइन करना है, so we will take this on, we will take 4 decimal point. ठीक है? So अब 4 जो है वो हम कहाँ से लेंगे? We will take from the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will put point here. समझ आ गया सबको how we will put point or assign point in multiplication involving decimals? Fine? Okay. So class, this is all which is related to your previous lesson. Now today we have division involving decimal numbers. Fine? Division involving decimal numbers. So class, in primary school we have learned how we have solved or how we have learned about decimals. We have also learned how to add, subtract decimals, how to multiply and decimals, divide decimals by a whole number. हमने ये सब पढ़ा हुआ है by whole numbers. whole number के थ्रू by whole number हम लोगों ने multiplication भी की हुई है, addition भी की हुई है, subtraction भी किया हुआ है and multiplication भी किया हुआ है. But in this lesson we have a division involving decimal numbers. Okay? आज के लेसन में जो है वो हम लोग क्या पढ़ेंगे? We will learn how to divide a decimal number by another decimal number. Okay class? So first of all we have a number 0.72 divided by 0.3. 0.72 divided by 0.3. So class, if you look, we have two numbers. The first number is 0.72. This is your first decimal number and this is your second decimal number. Isn't class? Okay. So we can't divide exactly by a decimal number by a decimal number. Okay class? So first of all, in first step, what would we do when we have two numbers which are decimal numbers and we have a division involving in between of two? So what would we do? हम कैसे इसको solve करेंगे? So class, to convert the denominator to an integer, अब इसमें हमारे पास denominator क्या है? 0.3. Okay, so we have in this, first of all, we will write into fraction form, which is like this. 0.72 is known as numerator and 0.3 is denominator. Okay class? So to convert denominator to an integer, we multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. अब हम क्या करेंगे, अगर हमने अगर इसको इंटीजर में कन्वर्ट करना है, so if you look, we have 1 point, 1 decimal point है, so that's why we will multiply by 10. अगर हमारे पास 2 points होते हैं डिनोमिनेटर में, so we will multiply by 100. Okay, if we have 3 decimal points, so we will multiply by 1000. अब क्या करेंगे हम, in next step we will multiply by 10 by 10. Okay, न्यूमिनेटर पार्ट को भी 10 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड डिनोमिनेटर में जो हमारे पास है डेसिमल, उसको भी हम 10 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Why we would do this? हम ये क्यों करेंगे? Because we want whole number or integer in decimal, in denominator. ओके, कभी भी अगर हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर में डेसिमल होगा तो हम उसको फर्स्ट क्या करेंगे, चेंज करेंगे होल नंबर में या फिर इंटीजर में. इज इट क्लियर? सो व्हेन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 इन न्यूमरेटर, इफ यू लुक वी हैव 1 0, सो 1 0. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हम क्या करते हैं, इफ वी हैव मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन्वॉल्विंग एंड वी हैव मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 10, तो जब हमारे पास 10 के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन्वॉल्व हो रही होती है, सो वी विल मूव आवर पॉइंट अकॉर्डिंग टू नंबर ऑफ जीरोस. ओके, और मूव कहाँ करते हैं हम लोग, नेक्स्ट करते हैं कि जो है वो प्रीवियस में करते हैं? वेरी गुड, नेक्स्ट करते हैं. सो वी हैव 7.2. न्यूमरेटर क्या बन जाएगा, 7.2. व्हेन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 0.72 by 10. So we have 7.2. Fine class. Now in denominator we have 0.3. So when we will multiply 0.3 by 10, we have 3. We have 3 in denominator. We have 3 in denominator. How? Yes, Vanya, you tell me. Very good, because class, if you look, we have 1 point and in the next number, as you look, we have multiples of 10. We have multiple, we have 10, only 1 0, एक 0 इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है और डेसिमल को हम होल नंबर के साथ कर रहे हैं, so 1 0 इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है, so we will move point forward. और कितने नंबर्स करेंगे, only 1 number. Okay, so we have 3 in the end, in denominator. Now we will divide 7.2 by 3. अब क्या करेंगे, 7.2 को 3 पे डिवाइड करेंगे क्लास. Okay, so we will take numerator as dividend and denominator as divisor. Fine. Now I am going to read the table of 3 to make the nearest number what would we do in next step? Very good. We will subtract here. We will subtract here. Because it is the rule of division. So 6 minus 7 minus 6. 1. Okay? 1. Okay class, if you look, we have a point. We have a point in between 7 and 2. अब इसको तो हमने solve कर लिया था. So for next we will shift this point in the quotient. Fine. And this 2 we will bring down here. So we have a whole number which is 12. Now we have, now we will again read the table of 3 to make the nearest number which is 12. So as you know class, 3 4 times 12. 3 4 times 12. Remainder is 0. So class, when we will multiply, when we will divide 7.2 by 3, we have 2.4. Okay, we have 2.4. So class, this is all. Now I am going to solve from exercise number 2D, page number 52, and question number 8. Find the value of each of the following. A part 0.81 divided by 0.3. So class, this is your question. So in first step we will make denominator whole. So अब denominator को हमने क्या करना है? Integer बनाने. So this is the way to write in fraction this form. Very good. So 0.81 is numerator and 0.3 is denominator. So first of all we will multiply by 10. Okay? Numerator को भी 10 के साथ करेंगे और denominator को भी 10 के साथ करेंगे. Why we will do this? Because we want integer or whole number in denominator. ठीक है? So इसको denominator को whole number बनाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? 10 के साथ multiply करेंगे. Now if you look class, we have multiplication by 0.81 multiplied by 10. So we have only 1 0. So we will move this point like this. We have 8.1 in numerator. And in denominator we will shift this point here like this. And we have 3 in denominator. So 8.1 is numerator and 3 as denominator. So we will put 8.1 inside the numerator, inside the division, and we can read as 81. We can read 88.1 as dividend and 3 as a divisor. Fine class? Okay. So for this we will read the table of 3 to make the nearest number 8. अब 8 के nearest हम लोगों ने find out करना है, so we will read the table of 3. As you know, 3 1 times 3. 3 2 times. Amna, you tell me. 3 2 times. Very good. 6. 3 3 times 9. So we will take 3 2 times 6. So what is the next step? Very good. We will subtract here. So 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6, which is 2. here. So when we will bring down this number here, we will shift this point in the quotient. ये क्लियर है सबको? जब हम जो है नेक्स्ट नंबर को नीचे जो है वो क्या करते राइट करते, सो वी विल शिफ्ट पॉइंट इन द quotient. Fine. As you know class, 3 7 times 21. 3 7 times 21. So when we will divide 8.1 by 3, we have 2.7. Okay, we have 2.7. Is it clear how we can solve a decimal number and by decimal number, and we have a division in between of 2. So in today's lesson we learned about how we can solve division involving decimal number. As you know class, we have first 0.81 and the second number is 0.3. So we will write into fraction form first of all. When we have write into fraction form, we look in the denominator, we have 0.3. So first step we will make denominator a whole number or an integer. So उसको इंटीजर बनाने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं विद मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 10. अब अगर आप देखो तो डिनोमिनेटर में वी हैव ओनली 1 डेसिमल पॉइंट, सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 10 by 10. अब अपर को भी 10 के साथ करेंगे और लोअर को भी 10 के साथ करेंगे, ठीक है, न्यूमिनेटर को भी और डिनोमिनेटर को भी. तो जब हमने न्यूमिनेटर को किया, सो वी हैव 8.1 and in denominator we have 3. So in fraction form we have 8.1 by 3. So we will solve this. We will divide this 8.1 by 3, and when we will divide 8 by 3, we have 2.7 in the end. Okay class, so this is all you have to practice. Question number 8, all parts in your notebook. If you find any difficulty related to this, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.